Hello, garden tube. Today I'm going to tackle some of this. And then I'm going to try to use the regular loppers to get the back so I don't have to go in the neighbor's yard. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that's all that fit in my dumpster. Besides, I gotta quit before I get a migraine anyway. But anyway, I just wanted to show off my earrings. I made these. You can check out my Etsy store, Inconsistent Crafter. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.